Alright, I'm gonna attempt to just make a video of what's broken with the assembly kit again. So here's the example file given by CA. We'll take out the max file and this text file we don't really need. All that this one does is tell us the location of the resources that don't really matter because it's all messed up anyway. So we'll open up this file. By the way, this is after A World Betrayed launch with the new update to the assembly kit. So you try to open this. Comes up all black because all the materials are missing, which you don't technically need materials to make it through Bob, but let's just say, for argument's sake, all of this is messed up. This weighted attribute is on here. This is a plugin that we don't have as a public. We have a workaround to add it on here through a different method, but it's just worth pointing out that it's odd you don't give it to us when it's required. So we have just given straight up by CA. We're going to try to export this. Called Salsa 1. Using the exporter provided in Three Kingdoms Assembly Kit. We get Chinese warning messages. No idea what that's about. My recording software is covering that arrow. So, whoops, I gotta put that in the right folder first. Ignore my other ones because I've been trying this all morning. Fire up Bob, and this one is going to crash because, I'll explain in a second, you're missing the post-load fixes in your example file. What that means is that skin doesn't end in slash or underscore load, original doesn't end in underscore load, teeth doesn't end in underscore load, vertex colors, all these need to go because they're not labeled correctly. So once we delete those, we can successfully pass Bob. Still get Chinese error messages. We've passed. Doesn't really tell us much. You would think it would be good, but it's not. I could take the time to put this in game, but I will just use this modding tool that's made by Phaser, where if you go to try to open this, so here's the vanilla Salsa model. I've already extracted it from the game. It opens, it shows you all this information, but if we want to open up the one that we just put through, it will not even open, which means there's something completely wrong with it. I guess you're just still seeing the old stuff, so let me reopen the tool because it made it look like it's doing something, but it's actually not working. See, it opens blank. So prior to this, I had rigged together all those missing files and my model would pass, but it would look all messed up like this, and it would open in Phaser's tool. What would happen though in Phaser's tool is that it would say default weighted here, and this is what it would say, whereas vanilla files open up, say, cinematic. That appears to be something with the bone table file, but we're not quite sure what. If we go into raw data, animation, skeletons, main bone, come on. Believe that has to do with this, which I've flipped around both ways. True, false. try to export again. We'll pass. Try to open it up with that tool again. Still nothing. So something's still broken. If we can't even pass through the example file, we're in trouble. I'm never going to end up getting this file through because there's no way to even get files provided by CA to come through. So yeah, I would really appreciate it if you guys could reach out. Thanks.